Well, some of you guys know I am currently day trading crypto in a challenge with Invest with Queenie to see who can make more money with cryptocurrency, but I'm about to start a brand new challenge where I will challenge a brand new YouTuber. Let's see what the category will be. Okay, so it's time for a crack at the handy dandy spin wheel. We got a stack of cash, we got Grogu here, everybody's here. Let's spin the wheel. Alright, looks like we got flipping products, so that would be like buying something at Goodwill or a garage sale and then flipping that on Amazon, and I challenge Gary V. Alright, Gary V, you got challenged. If you are up for the challenge, here are the ground rules. You and I, we're each only going to get $200. We're going to have $200 that we can take to Goodwill or garage sales or however we want to spend it, where we get $200 to buy products and then flip those products on Amazon or eBay or Walmart or however we want to do it. But that is the rules. $200, buy as much as you want. We will flip the products. This will be a great episode for your segment Talking Trash. And whoever makes the most money in 1 month wins. If you are up for my flipping product challenge where you take $200 and you flip the products, whichever one of us makes more money wins. And if you win, Gary, I will donate $5,000 to a charity of your choice. If you accept the challenge and I win, I would ask that you donate $5,000 to one of the food banks here in Seattle. All right, let the games begin.